Hey guys, so one of my goals for 2019 is to create more YouTube content. Not sure how much more, but I want to at least post at least once a week or maybe once every 2 weeks. We will see. In the past, I made most of my videos during school break. So for example, during spring break, I would take all the footage that I captured during the school year and then crank out as many videos as possible. At one point, I was creating like one video every day during break, which was okay in the past, but now I can't do that because I have a son. So instead, I will be working on videos every day, daily, maybe 1 or 2 hours a day, most of the time when Landon is taking a nap or sleeping. So hopefully this plan works out and I can bring more content to the channel. I'm pretty excited for 2019. Please subscribe to the channel if you want to see videos about education or just videos about my life. Like if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.